Yo, it's good YouTube. This is Angry, and today I got a new video for you guys. And basically, what we're gonna be doing is uh, basically exploiting the WebDAV vulnerability. We're gonna first of all identify that vulnerability. I basically showed that in the previous videos in advanced nmap scanning and advanced nmap scanning too. Also, the services and how you could identify if an Apache server is running or not. All of this I've showed you before, but I'm gonna do all the steps in one go over here so you could understand what I'm doing. Right, so first of all, make sure just you have your MetaSploitable3 open, the Windows machine, and your Cal Linux machine. Open up a new tab and just write sudo I, and then Kali, clear. First of all, write IP address or IP addr. That is going to bring us the local IP of this machine. Since this is connected also to the same network, uh, basically we are going to have to scan that using the arp-scan. You can also use nmap scans for this. There's a lot of tools for this, but this is one of the easiest tools I could find for this. All right, so it seems right now that this PC is basically this is the local IP of it, right? So we're just gonna get the local IP of that. All right, and then afterwards, we're just gonna make sure that the port for the service is open. So to do that, we're just gonna press nmap and then the option for the service can and the port itself, which is gonna be port 8585, and then the operating system, and then the IP. All right, so let's just start that. This should basically bring us the service is running, basically the Apache server is running, and here it is. So the transmission control protocol is open, and basically we could start testing out if it is WebDAV enabled, if the WebDAV server itself for file uploads is open. So if you want to do this on this machine, you can just go to the local host and then port 8585 just to make sure of this. Uh, then go to your uploads. All right, so I already tested this out before, but I'm just gonna remove this file quickly. So it's in WAMP, www, and then uploads, and let's just delete this and refresh. All right, so this is where the server is on, so we're just gonna test that out. We already know that the authorization password is admin and the password is password. So the user is admin and the password is password. Since that this is the default password for the machines. All right, so then we're gonna send out some text files as tests, and basically uh, this is gonna send a lot of text files and a lot like PHP files, a lot of like different files. I'm just gonna show you this. You can also add in the move option, and this is just gonna test out a text file. So let's test this out first. All right, so right now it seems that it's moving correctly. So let's just refresh this page. So as you can see, here's the file. If we enter that you're gonna find that this is just some text files. Let's just delete this one. All right. So let's rerun the command, but remove the move option. This is gonna test out all like types of files. As you can see, this is not only like text files. This is also like ASP, PHP, uh, HTML, SHTML, and so on and so forth. So let's refresh this. So as you can see right now, the files are a little bit different. So we can just remove this again from over here. All right, let's actually